Hi, Colin with Diode, excited to introduce to you our SS3 ditch light bracket kit for the 2015 up Ford F-150. We designed this kit right here in our facilities in St. Louis, Missouri to be the best low-profile bolt-on option on the market with functionality in mind. As you can see with its low-profile design, our ditch light bracket kit sits only about an inch over the hood, maintaining the functionality to open and close your hood without hitting anything. These were designed with durability in mind using a thick gauge powder-coated stainless steel, which means you won't experience any annoying vibrations or flexing on or off-road. Now, a criticism of other ditch lights on the market is that they can create a glare off of the hood. As you can see with our SS3 optics, this isn't the case. The light goes directly over the hood, giving you focus where you need it. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 ditch light bracket kit for your F-150 or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.